Good morning, students. Today's date is 23rd of April 2020. This video is for class 2, subject GK, chapter 3, and the chapter name is Common Ailments. Common ailments means common diseases or common viral infections. Sometimes we face this type of diseases. In this chapter, we are discussing some common ailments. So, let's start. Unscramble the words and write them in the space given. Number 1. RESO RTATOH. RESO RTATOH. It's sore throat. SORETHROAT. Sore throat. A sore throat is a pain, scratchiness, or irritation of the throat. Most common cause of a sore throat is viral infections. Okay, a sore throat is a pain, scratchiness, or irritation of the throat. This part of our body is called throat. Throat is front part of your neck. Throat is front part of your neck. Okay. A sore throat is a pain, scratchiness, or irritation of the throat. Most common cause of a sore throat is viral infection. Okay. Sore throats symptoms are pain or scratchy sensation in the throat, difficulty while swallowing or talking, and red tonsil. Okay. Number 2. AOECTOHTH. It is toothache. 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 A sharp pain in your tooth or teeth is called toothache. The most common cause of toothache is a dental cavity. If you eat too much sweets like chocolate, candy, then dental cavity may happen in your teeth. So, if you don't want a sharp pain in your teeth, then brush your teeth properly 2 times a day. Toothache's symptoms are swelling or painful gums. Number 3. OCHGU. OCHGU. It's cough. COUGH. It is cough. COUGH. A cough is a forceful release of air from the lungs. It clears an irritation in the throat. A cough is a forceful release of air from the lungs. It clears an irritation in the throat. Cough can be caused several conditions. As example, clearing the throat. But common cause of a cough is a viral infection, such as cold or flu. Now, number 4. DECHAEAH. It is headache. 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 A painful sensation in any part of the head ranging from sharp to dull. A painful sensation in any part of the head ranging from sharp to dull is called headache. Headache symptoms are vomiting, dizziness, pain in the eyes when looking into bright light, heaviness on head, lack of sleep. These are some headache symptoms. Number 5. VEREF. VEREF. It is fever. 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 A fever is a temporary increase in your body temperature, often due to an illness. A fever is a temporary increase in your body temperature, often due to illness. Fever's symptoms are shivering, feeling cold, sleepiness, lack of energy, lack of appetite, etc. These 5 are common elements or common diseases that we faced. If you faced one of these elements, tell your parents immediately to consult a doctor. Okay? So children, hope you all are understood this chapter very well. Keep practicing and stay safe. Thank you.